Now I got a loose ass tank top. Yeah, I guess this is gonna have to work. How that joint look? I look like a bad bitch trying to go to the club. I make eggs, steak, ground turkey. However old you are, I could have made you. Oh my God. Nah, cause I'll be mad young. What's going on YouTube? This little Twavy coming at y'all with another video. We're making oodles and noodles. For everybody that eat oodles and noodles, if you call this shit top ramen, click off the video right now. Cause who the hell calls these top ramen? Happy Halloween to everybody. I was talking to an older lady. She was telling me,
make sure you watch out for the apples cause they put razor blades in them.
I beg your pardon?
First off, I am 23 years old. We're gonna save that for the next time. Before you make this top ramen, make sure. Let me find it. Hold on. It's my kitchen. I don't even know where some of this shit is. Either or is fine. Usually you would make it in this because it's much faster. Second off, make sure you put some water in it. Before I start this off, right? Usually when people make top ramen, people will put it in the microwave. They'll put it in the stove if they wanted to. They'll put that shit in the air fryer if they had to. No, we're not doing that. We're cooking it right here. Check me out. Check me out. Right here. Do you see that? Right on top of the stove, as it should be. It should not be anywhere else. It should be a crime to put it in the microwave. I want my top ramen to be like, not crispy, not too crispy, but I don't want them too soft.
Hey, yo,
you know
what
what I'm
the
saying?
fuck?
Pause. Pause on that. Pause. Hey, yo. Yo, make sure you put water in it. It doesn't matter if you have a gas oven, electric oven, water oven. Make sure you put this baby on high. High. Anything lower than that, you're gonna be making ramen for 20 minutes, buddy. Let that joint simmer up. Make sure that when that baby get, you know what I'm saying? Let's take a 20-minute intermission, because I gotta talk about this, right? So I got my hair done about like 2 weeks ago. I was getting the compliments that I was getting, you know, whenever I do my hair done, you know what I'm saying? I'm going through the day. There was like 4 niggas that said that my hair looks nice. Like, yo, bro, keep your comments to yourself, my guy. We don't want that. We want the bitches. Where the bitches at? When I get my hair done, there'll be no bitches around. It's different when you get like a haircut and when you get your dreads done. It takes like a month for you to, you know, get them done. You don't want to get them done every time. Then your shit gonna be pushed back. God. You'll get traction alopecia. When you get your hair cut, you could get it any like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then get a haircut the next day. It's tough out here for a pimp, you know what I'm saying? So if there's any girls in the comments that want to comment on my... Yeah. Talk to me. The fuck? Why that shit smoking? Bro, there's no way I'm burning top ramen already. God damn. Yo, that shit smoking. That shit Smokey the Bear. Yo, that shit smoking. What the fuck do I do? Bro, why is that shit smoking? I don't understand. Something that I'm doing wrong? Like, yo. I am, okay. So, when that joint boiling, make sure you get your top ramen. Open that bad boy up. It's probably a smarter idea if I put it on my shirt. Now I got a loose ass tank top. Yeah, I guess this is gonna have to work. How that joint look? Oh, nah. I look like a bad bitch trying to go to the club. Make sure your ramen noodles don't look like this. Your noodles is gonna be long as hell. Also, make sure you take this, because this is the main ingredient. Put this in your pocket. Right in your pocket so you won't lose it. There's plenty of times I threw this out, I had to grab that bitch out the trash. Yes, I have done that plenty of times. Get your top ramen, make sure you break that joint up, break it up, break it up, break it. Boom. Let that joint sizzle a little bit. It should only be in there for about like a minute, 2 minutes tops. Anything past that, throw the whole top ramen away, oodles and noodles, whatever you call it at this point. Throw that shit away. I feel like ramen ain't good unless you got a good bowl. Always got that one ramen bowl in the house. It always got the stains in it. If it don't got the stains in it, it's not gonna taste as good as you think it is. But we not using that bowl. I'm gonna be 100% real with y'all. It's definitely over 2 minutes, but we gonna let that slide. We working fast right now. Boom. Got me a little white bowl. That shit hot as hell. This is not all I make. You know, I make eggs, steak, ground turkey. However old you are, I could have made you. Oh my God. Nah, cause I'll be mad young. Let that joint sizzle up. Gotta dump that joint in there. That's how you get it done. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. You need your onion powder or garlic powder. Either one is good. Black pepper and your chicken flavored seasoning. I just gave y'all the key ingredients. People would do that. But me, I fuck with y'all like that. You might have high blood pressure by the end of eating this shit, but it's gonna be the best noodles you ever had in your life. And make sure y'all clean up after yourselves. Sizzle that joint in there. Already at the bottom. Muy bien. Talk to me. What's that? Garlic? Okay, we're doing garlic today. Stir them joints up. The stains of the bowl give it extra flavor. Take that joint to the table. Wowzers. This is what I always dreamed of. It don't get no better than that. Yo, if you're new, smash that like button. Put up, taste test, taste test. Oh, can't forget the bev. Never, never, never. Subscribe button, do all that good stuff. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Damn, I can hardly think. My grandma Glock then shoot your face. Yeah, my bitch get super green. I'm in her mouth like toothpaste. Yeah, I'm in my duffel bag. This chrome heart shit cost 2K. Yeah, my bitch she love the fuck. Yeah, my bitch she love the fuck.